2026, artificial intelligence became the top boardroom priority. Two technology leaders received the same mission: transform the business through AI. One CIO rushed directly into AI implementation, believing technology alone would deliver success.
Deploy fast and automate everything.
The second CIO adopted the AIWoW framework, AI Ways of Working, a human-centered approach to sustainable transformation. To cut costs quickly, the first CIO eliminated 100 developer roles, expecting AI to replace human expertise. The AIWoW leader chose a different path: reskill, restructure, and elevate human potential.
In first CIO organization, within months, adoption collapsed. Employees resisted, costs soared, trust disappeared.
Another AI rollout failed. Millions spent. Little business value created.
After the third failed iteration, the transformation stalled.
Meanwhile, the AIWoW organization built trust, governance, adoption, and measurable business outcomes. Instead of removing people, AIWoW reimagined work through new human-AI roles. In AIWoW Stream, revenue increased, productivity improved, employees embraced AI because they became part of the transformation.
One CIO implemented AI. The other transformed the way people work with AI. Technology alone fails.
AIWoW, AI Ways of Working. The framework for human-centered, sustainable AI transformation. Don't just deploy AI, transform how your organization works. Join the AIWoW movement.